Hello friends, welcome back to Snack Shack Recipes. So today we're gonna make chicken pan pizza and veg pan pizza. We'll be giving the dough recipe in the description box below. Take a dough and round it in a shape. Dust some maida. Roll it and cut it into round shapes. Make it this thick. Rest it for 10 minutes. This is medium size base. Poke it with a fork. Heat a tawa and place the pizza base on it. Flip it for 1 minute and it's ready. Pizza base is ready. Spread some olive oil. Spread some pizza sauce. Add these vegetables on the baked pizza. Sprinkle some oregano. Heat a tawa, place the pizza on it. Close the lid tightly. If cheese is melted, then it's ready. It is so tasty. Wow, it is so cheesy. If you want to make chicken pizza, you can follow these ingredients. Place it in the oven and bake it. And after 10 minutes, it's ready. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye!